There's a dirty little secret in the mosquito business, and I'd like to tell you about it and explain our service to you. That dirty little secret is that about every mosquito treatment company out there uses roughly the same technology, and you'll notice there are a lot of mosquito-only companies in the marketplace. Well, at CitiTurf, you've probably heard us say, we take a holistic approach to your property. We care for all aspects of your property. So when it comes to mosquito treatment, whether it be us or another company, we're all using, as I said, about the same technology. We might be using a backpack sprayer to treat. We might be using a truck-mounted system. And you figure out what you're going to use based on the area that's being treated and what the challenge is. And when it comes to product, yeah, there might be a difference from one company to the next, because someone like CitiTurf, we're going to use the highest quality product. We're going to spend the money to use the right product, because it doesn't make any sense to come out to your property, try to be cheap on the product being used, and do an inadequate treatment. Remember, we have a guarantee. We back up everything we do. So yeah, some companies might be a little cheap about the quality of the product, but at the end of the day, most companies are using a pretty good product when it comes to treating mosquitoes. So that's why I say the majority of mosquito companies are frankly the same. The difference is in training. The difference is in customer service. Can you get a hold of us at our office? Do you have somebody you can talk to? If you have a special event, a wedding, a party, something coming up, can you actually get us to respond, to call you back? And frankly, you shouldn't normally have to have us call you back, because we try to answer the phone live all the time. But when you're speaking with us, will you be able to get us out at your property quickly to help you resolve an issue? So at CitiTurf, we do monthly treatments for mosquitoes. Something else that might not always be said in the mosquito business is you're not really killing mosquitoes. They are everywhere. Nobody's ever going to get rid of mosquitoes. And so what you're doing is you're trying to reduce their population. You're trying to minimize their population around your property. And that's why the need for the monthly treatment. We come out, we minimize that population, we try to prevent them. We would never promise that when we're out, you'll never see a mosquito again. Nobody should make such a promise. But what we do promise is you will get the highest level of customer service. We will react quickly. We will honor our promises and our guarantees. We will come back and retreat where necessary. And we will reliably show up every month and do everything we possibly can to minimize all exposure to mosquitoes throughout your entire property. So if you're frustrated, if you're struggling, you want to use CitiTurf, because remember, we take a holistic approach. The guys, the team that come out to do mosquitoes, well, they're not the only ones in the business that understand mosquitoes. If you think about home pest control, that team, those techs, they also know how to identify mosquitoes and treat them. So think about CitiTurf as your one-stop solution. We'd love to help you. Thank you.